I just discovered a brand new YouTube channel that creates simple AI-generated 2D car racing challenge videos, and the growth is absolutely unbelievable. In a very short period, the channel has gained millions of subscribers. I don't know exactly how much the creator earns, but since the channel has millions of subscribers and primarily targets an audience in the United States, it's likely generating thousands of dollars every month through YouTube ad revenue alone. On top of that, the creator could also be earning additional income from sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and other monetization opportunities. The most surprising part is how simple the content is. The videos feature fun AI-generated racing challenges with colorful visuals and addictive gameplay, making them highly engaging for viewers of all ages. This proves that you don't always need expensive equipment or complex editing to build a successful YouTube channel. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with prompts. Most of you don't know what to write or how to write it the right way. But don't worry, I've already solved that problem for you. I've created a ready-to-use, high-quality prompt. Your only job is simple. Just copy it from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me bringing more value like this. Now here's the exciting part. When you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate an amazing result, fully structured, highly engaging, and perfectly aligned with the type of viral video we saw at the beginning. This exact style of content is getting massive views right now. But here's the truth most people ignore. If your prompt is weak, your results will be weak. You won't get good images, you won't get high-quality videos, and your content will look average. And average content does not go viral. That's why having the right prompt is everything. It's the difference between a video that gets ignored and a video that blows up overnight. So instead of wasting time guessing, use a proven prompt and focus on execution. Stay consistent, improve your content, and follow the trend. Because in today's world, with the right tools and the right strategy, going viral is not luck, it's a system. Now go ahead, copy the prompt, try it yourself, and start creating your own viral videos today. For the image generation, I'm going to use Google Gemini. And this step is very important, so make sure you follow carefully. First, open Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have an account, simply log in with your Gmail. Once you're inside Gemini, you'll see the chat interface. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt that it generated for your story. After that, return to Google Gemini and paste the prompt into the chat box. Before you generate the image, there is one small but very important step. At the end of the prompt, add your preferred image ratio. For example, you can write R16:9. If you want a YouTube landscape image, or R9:16. If you're creating shorts or TikTok videos, this helps Gemini generate the image in the exact size you need. Once everything is ready, simply press Enter and let Gemini start creating the image. Honestly, when I saw the first result, I was completely shocked. I wasn't expecting the quality to be this good. The image looked like it came from a professional 3D animation studio. The characters looked beautiful, the lighting was cinematic, the colors were vibrant, and every small detail was incredibly realistic. It had that premium Pixar-style 3D look that many creators try to achieve using expensive AI tools. What impressed me even more was the character consistency. The same character looked almost identical across different scenes, which is very important when you're creating a storytelling video. I also checked the image carefully to see if there were any common AI problems, such as random logos, broken hands, strange faces, blurry backgrounds, or low-quality textures. Surprisingly, I couldn't find any major issues. Everything looked clean, professional, and ready to use. But I didn't stop after generating just one image. I tested many different prompts, different stories, different characters, and different environments. I created emotional scenes, outdoor scenes, rainy scenes, sunset scenes, and even fantasy-style scenes. Every single time, the results were consistently impressive. The quality stayed high, the lighting remained cinematic, the characters looked adorable, and the images maintained the same professional 3D style. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Google Gemini. You don't have to spend hours fixing bad AI images or regenerating them again and again. Most of the time, the first result is already good enough to use in your video. If you compare these images with those from many paid AI image generators, you'll notice that the quality is surprisingly competitive. It's hard to believe that you can create images like these for free. So once you're happy with the result, simply download each image for every scene of your story. In the next step, I'll show you how to turn these beautiful 3D images into smooth animated videos using another free AI tool. Alright guys, now let's move on to our free AI video tool. I'll drop the website link in the description. It's called Google Vids. This platform is packed with powerful features for project management, marketing, and especially AI video generation. But right now, our full focus is creating high-quality AI videos. And listen carefully, because this is the most important part. You can create unlimited, high-quality VEO3 videos. Yes, unlimited. Ignore the sign-in option. Don't rush. Find the free trial version. Then sign in using any email, Gmail, anything, and you'll instantly get access to VEO3. Now after that, you'll see an option like Animate an image. Click on it. Now here comes the real game. Make sure you import your images section by section, exactly according to the prompts you generated from ChatGPT. This part is very important, because your final video quality depends on how perfectly you follow the sequence. I took my Scene 1 image, pasted my prompt, clicked Generate, and boom, less than 1 minute. And the result? Absolutely insane. The lighting, the environment, the movement. It literally looks like a cinematic racing game. No cheap animation feel. Everything looks smooth, immersive, and high quality. Then I downloaded that clip and moved to Scene 2. Same process again. Image, prompt, generate. And again, crazy results. Guys, I'm not even exaggerating. This looks like a professional AI car gaming video. And the best part? You can do this unlimited times. No limits, no credits, no restrictions. You just keep generating Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, all the way to Scene 10, until your full AI car challenge video is ready. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch till the end for more powerful AI strategies. Let's grow together.